Thomas Jefferson said that government is best which governs the least. Henry David Thoreau, he took that statement and changed it, and he said that government is best which governs not at all. He is giving more emphasis to individual conscience. He is giving more emphasis to the fact that individual should listen to his or her conscience, and the claims of political authority are secondary. Similar concerns are raised by Gandhi as well. However, our topic of discussion is not Gandhi or Thoreau. Our discussion is on the libertarian school of thought. The libertarian school of thought derives their main ideas from this school of thought, whereby an individual should not be subservient to any kind of a political authority. The conception of freedom, bringing back the same conception of freedom of that of the classical liberals, and going ahead and saying that individual should have the authority over itself, and no authority, whether state, whether church, whether society, can claim an importance greater than the individual. The libertarian school of thought has gained ground in the USA in our times. Some libertarian political parties, they have been able to garner votes, and hence libertarianism becomes important for us. The conception in adhering to your own conscience and not political authority, the conception that individual should be left to do whatever he or she wants to do, has serious repercussions for the overall society. Libertarians will go to the extent of saying that do not constrain us of even wearing a seat belt. Do not constrain us of wearing a helmet. Do not constrain us if we want to consume drugs, it is our choice. Do not constrain me in setting up industry and owning property in whatever I own. Libertarian philosophy for you. It comes in the background of the welfare state, in the background of the greater expectations from the welfare state, which were a defining feature of the 20th century. Such kind of philosophy is gaining ground. But the right question to ask is, what are the ramifications of such an ideology? Even the rise of cryptocurrency, that has been linked to the libertarian philosophy. A decentralized system whereby no authority can intervene. Libertarian philosophy. The rise of blockchain, the rise of cryptocurrency. What are the ramifications? This is something which you should ask yourself, because the ramifications can have serious impact on the society as a whole. The economic, political and the social ramifications of a philosophy of libertarianism, whereby the entire control should be in the hands of the individual, and no authority whatsoever should be above the individual.